That's the enemy. That's the enemy. Enemy engage. Enemy engage. Attack. That's the two missile. Two missile.
Enemy spotted.
In attack. Two missile. Two missile. Launch two missile.
Sir? Sir? Excuse me, sir? Sir? Your time is up. There's a lot of people queuing up to play this. So... Okay, thank you. Please come again.
So, how do I play this?
It's simple, sir. Here you got two control. It's up and down. The one is left and right. So you have to control this red laser. Is followed by the red bar.
Oh, okay, okay.
Hi everyone. This exhibit is called XY control. It operates two parameters, that is left and right, up and down.
It has two stationary motors that move the laser anywhere in the XY region.
This mechanism can be found in cranes, 3D printers, CNC machines, and arcade machines in theme parks. This week's question is very easy and simple. What is the name of this exhibit? Don't forget to write your answer in comment section below. See you guys next week.